Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to turn off the PlayStation 5 trophies and videos. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you're playing a game on your PlayStation 5 and you achieve a trophy, and it automatically takes a screenshot and saves a video. How would you go ahead and turn this off? Well, this is very easy to do. Just on the home screen, let's go to the top and go over to settings. Then scroll on down to captures and broadcast way at the bottom, the last option, and select this. Then go on down to auto captures. Then go to the right and go to trophies. Then at the top for screenshots, you have a couple different options under here now. You can go to all trophies. You can go to just platinum trophies or gold trophies, etc. I have mine selected to none. So you have a few different options to choose from. So if you only want to go ahead and capture screenshots for platinum trophies, that would be kind of cool if you ever did achieve one of those. Then if you go to video clips, we have the same options on here. All trophies, platinum, gold, silver, etc. So I'm going to go to platinum. If I ever do achieve one, I'm going to have that on. Then we have trophy video duration. We have 50 seconds or 30 seconds. So we can easily turn this off by going to none. So that is how you turn off your screenshots and videos for your trophies on your PlayStation 5. If this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.